Welcome to this Tournament Expert tutorial. In this tutorial we will continue to focus on the file command. In a previous tutorial we looked at the new open and the other open commands. In this one we will look at the save, save as, and save to commands. Notice that in this particular file that it is saved, and I can tell that because the word save down here is in regular font as opposed to being grayed out. If I start to do anything in the file, like adding text to this cell, notice that save changes now, and so that tells me that it needs to be saved. So let me remove that information, and then I'll go to the file command and click on save. And now notice that the font has changed back to a regular font, telling me that the tournament is saved. And this tournament was saved into the default folder, whatever the current default folder is. Now, if I want to save as, if I want to change the name of this file, then I would use save as. And save as gives me a couple of capabilities. One, it allows me to save it. Notice that I'm in my default folder of Tournaments V40. That's where I currently will be saving and opening files. And I can now change this. Let's say that I want to change the name to version 2. Okay, so I could save that. And then that would become another tournament file in this Tournaments V40. But I can do something else with the save to command as well. And that is that I can actually move to another folder. So in this case I'm going to go to the Z drive, which we've done before. And I'm going to save this file as 12 couples 2 flights V2, and I'm going to save it. And it now, by doing that, by using the save to command, that demo folder on the Z drive has become my default folder. To prove that to you, I'll just simply click File and then Open, and notice that it goes to the new default folder, which is the demo folder. And that file that I had saved, the 12 couples 2 flights V2, is now in that default folder. So this is a way of moving from one folder to another folder. But let's say that I wanted to, now that I'm in the Z drive, I wanted to actually save this file back into my Tournaments V40 folder without changing what the default folder is. That's what the other command, the save to a temp location, it does a very similar thing to what the open from temp location. It allows me to save the file to another location. In this case I'm going to go to the Tournaments V40 folder, and I'm going to save this version 2 file into that folder, but it's not going to change my default folder. If I now go back to File and then Open, notice that it's my default folder is still the demo folder. Alright, so that's the file command allows us that save, save as, and the save to, and what they do. So thank you for watching.